Hey there, if you are a WordPress developer or you are creating themes or plugins for WordPress, or even if you are a content author who's creating the content for WordPress, this video is for you. So, if you are updating or creating content on WordPress, you are using a Gutenberg Block editor and it is now with WordPress since few versions, right? So in this video I will show how you can add a to-do block, a list of to-do in a WordPress page or post. So as you can see on my screen, the new Gutenberg editor, the new Gutenberg block editor has many features which is very good when you are creating or updating the content on WordPress website. So as you can see, there are multiple features available. Like you can create layouts, you can add paragraphs, headings, media, text, quote, image gallery, cover images, videos, embedded videos or button list items. You can also add code which will look in a different way in your post or page. You can also upload files and you can divide your layout in columns. You can also upload audios as well. But in this Gutenberg block editor, you don't have a to-do list yet as a default feature. So if you want to add a to-do list, let's say I want to add a few things which I have in my mind and I want to show that on the page or a post. So that is not available with this default block editor, right? So in this video, I will show how you can do it. So for that, I'm using one plugin. I will show how that plugin can be used. The plugin name is To Do Block. So as you can see in the screenshots, you can create a to-do list like this. This will look in a backend, and when you go to front end, you can see a to-do list like this. So I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, go to plugins, add new plugin. Let me just copy this. So search the plugin to do block. You will find many plugins which are related to do. So here the to do block, it is not a much of a famous, but I think it is very decent, easy to use and lightweight. So there are other plugins are there. Disable Gutenberg blocks, a block manager, also to-do list block. This is also a good one. But in this video, I will show this to-do block created by David. So let's start installing that plugin. Once installed, just click on active. Okay, activate. So once you active the plugin, you will be added with a feature which can be added the to-do block, a to-do list. Okay, so let's see if any a new menu is added. I think no new menu is added for this plugin because there is nothing in the settings, right? So let's see. Yeah, there is no setting page. Okay, so let's go to pages. For example, you can also add to do in posts as well. Let's go to pages. There is one page, a sample page. Okay, here I will add that to do list. Let me add into page. Okay, so at the end of this page content, I want to add a to do list. So when I click on new, I need to search on to do. As you can see, the to do is already added. So this block is added by this plugin only. This to do list was not available before this plugin. So let me add, before that, let me add one heading. For example, yeah, heading. Let me add my list, for example, and make it bold, italic. Okay, so this is the first item I want to add. The item will be get beer, for example. The second item is um get or yeah, get up early in the morning. Okay. The third item is pay the mobile bill. Okay, and you can add multiple items here. So once you update, yeah, it is updated now. Refresh the sample page, and you can see the fancy to-do list is there. Also, default value can be set as checked as well. So I'm checking is get up early. It is already done because the day is already passed. So this is also working fine. Apart from that, I can finish this task as a to-do list. Let me add strike through update, and it will look like this task is done, right? Also, you can add options like read only. You can also disable that to do, or yeah. So once I make this item as a disabled, let me update and see how it looks. So as you can see, this checkbox is now disabled. You can check this get a beer item, but you cannot check this item because it is set as disabled, right? So if it is disabled, I can apply some background color as red and text color as white, so it will look little bit different. This is not disabled, right? Update, and yeah, it looks very nice. So this is disabled, you cannot check or uncheck. This is already done, so this looks good. This is another to-do list item, and you can check uncheck. So you need to um, you need to understand one thing here. There's that this is not a dynamic form. I mean, you cannot submit these values as an end user. It is for purpose for only to see the information that if user is adding or creating to-do list, that will show that the user is doing something as a to-do list. So you cannot update or you cannot interact with this to-do list. Yeah, of course you can check and check, but it won't make any difference otherwise. So this was the my to-do list. Also you can change here the typography as well as, yeah, so you can add here a font size. You can add additional css class. The color is also there. You can also make the items read only and disabled, right? So this was the a very good plugin that you can use to add your to-do items, and you can show your users that what the items are that you are working on as a content author. So this was a very useful plugin which you can use on your WordPress websites, and I think this was a brief overview for this plugin. If you have any question, please leave your comments. If you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel and please support. Please give me a like so I can create more videos on WordPress. All right, that's all for this video. Thank you.